Inside the Lunar Scout, the Moon's first military recon rover, remember this name, because what you're about to see is not about weapons, explosions, or battles. It's about something far more dangerous: silence. On the Moon, there are no warning shots, no backup units, no rescue helicopters racing against time. There is only cold vacuum, endless darkness, and a single mistake standing between survival and total failure. In this frozen world where sound cannot travel and help is always too far away, the Autonomous Recon Rover, Lunar Scout, slowly emerges from permanent shadow, its silhouette barely visible against the lunar horizon, moving across untouched regolith as Earth glows faintly in the distance, watching but unable to intervene. This machine isn't meant to be seen, and it isn't meant to be heard, because on the Moon, the first line of defense is knowing what's out there before it ever becomes a threat. Far from Earth, near future lunar bases that will one day hold human lives inside fragile walls, the Autonomous Recon Rover, Lunar Scout, patrols alone, pressing its tracks into soil that has never known life, scanning kilometers of hostile terrain so astronauts never have to step into the unknown unprepared. Every movement it makes replaces human risk with machine certainty, operating without fear, without hesitation, without fatigue, making decisions in real time where a single wrong calculation could end an entire mission and strand humans millions of kilometers from home. Unlike vehicles designed for speed or combat, the Autonomous Recon Rover, Lunar Scout, is built for awareness, stopping at crater edges that sunlight hasn't touched for billions of years, turning its sensors toward darkness that hides both priceless resources and invisible dangers, processing terrain shifts, temperature extremes, radiation spikes, and signals no human could ever sense in time. As Earth rises slowly above the lunar horizon, a reminder of how far away help really is, the Autonomous Recon Rover, Lunar Scout, continues its silent patrol, proving that this is not science fiction, but the foundation of future security in space. Lunar bases will soon become permanent homes, mining sites will become strategic assets, and as more nations arrive, competition will quietly grow under treaties and flags planted in dust. In that tension-filled environment, the Autonomous Recon Rover, Lunar Scout, becomes a neutral observer and a silent guardian, recording every change, every movement, every anomaly, because on the Moon, what you don't see is often more dangerous than what you do. Every design choice reflects survival. Its low-profile chassis, built from advanced lightweight alloys, resists micrometeor impacts traveling faster than bullets. Titanium mesh wheels flex over razor-sharp regolith that would shred conventional tires. Suspension systems absorb shocks in low gravity, while gyro stabilizers correct balance before a rollover can happen, all moving slowly and deliberately, because on the Moon, speed doesn't save lives, precision does. Inside, a radiation-hardened AI core thinks faster than any human ever could from Earth, choosing safer paths, adapting to dust clouds that behave like slow-motion fog, recalibrating sensors during solar storms, navigating lunar nights when bases are most vulnerable, and continuing even when communication drops and silence stretches across space. Its sensors turn the Moon from emptiness into intelligence.
The mobility system of the Autonomous Recon Rover / Lunar Scout is the backbone of its mission. When the Autonomous Recon Rover Lunar Scout approaches obstacles, it does not rely on pre-programmed paths.
Descending into a crater is one of the most dangerous tasks on the moon. Lunar dust can obscure vision and disrupt sensors.
When solar activity rises, the Autonomous Recon Rover Lunar Scout can adjust its route.
The Autonomous Recon Rover says Lunar Scout is not dependent on daylight because its AI can navigate using radar.
The Autonomous Recon Rover Lunar Scout continuously monitors its own health, checking power levels, wheel status, sensor performance, and AI integrity.
The AI system of the Autonomous Recon Rover Lunar Scout is the heart of the mission.
LiDAR on the Autonomous Recon Rover Lunar Scout sends thousands of laser pulses per second, building a real-time 3D map of the terrain.
Ground-penetrating radar gives the Autonomous Recon Rover Lunar Scout the ability to see beneath the surface.
Stealth on the moon is not about hiding in the shadows. It's about avoiding sensors.
When the Autonomous Recon Rover Lunar Scout needs to remain unseen, it uses the moon's natural shadows to its advantage, moving through darker areas. The moon is constantly bombarded by micrometeorites. Radiation on the moon can damage electronics and degrade systems. The solar panels on the Autonomous Recon Rover Lunar Scout deploy automatically.
The power management system of the Autonomous Recon Rover Lunar Scout constantly monitors energy consumption. Power is the lifeline of the Autonomous Recon Rover Lunar Scout, and its hybrid system ensures that it can continue its mission in the harshest conditions.
countermeasures. The data from the Autonomous Recon Rover vs. Lunar Scout is not just raw footage, it is processed intelligence.
In emergency situations, the Autonomous Recon Rover Lunar Scout can send burst transmissions, sending critical updates quickly
Before the Autonomous Recon Rover or Lunar Scout ever touches the lunar surface, it begins its life inside a controlled factory environment. The wheel system for the Autonomous Recon Rover, Lunar Scout, is built to withstand lunar dust and extreme wear.
The Autonomous Recon Rover Lunar Scout is sealed and coated with low reflective materials.
The Autonomous Recon Rover of Lunar Scout uses encrypted communication to protect its data from interception.
The Autonomous Recon Rover Lunar Scout represents a new kind of defense, where intelligence and prevention are the primary weapons.
Future versions of the Autonomous Recon Rover at Lunar Scout may include improved AI, stronger sensors,
The technology behind the Autonomous Recon Rover's Lunar Scout could also be adapted for Mars, asteroids, and
The journey of the Autonomous Recon Rover, Lunar Scout, begins long before it reaches the moon, starting with a launch.
Engineers carefully secure the Autonomous Recon Rover, Lunar Scout, inside the lander.
As the lander approaches the moon,
the first moment the Autonomous Recon Rover Lunar Scout touches the lunar surface is critical, and the vehicle's suspension and wheels
Maintenance on the Moon is not like Earth, and the Autonomous Recon Rover of Lunar Scout is designed to require minimal repairs.
Even though the Autonomous Recon Rover Lunar Scout is mostly solar-powered, it still requires periodic replacement of power cells and coolant systems.
It moves where humans cannot, exploring dangerous areas, analyzing unknown signals, and providing early